Your journey may not always be smooth, and the unexpected may happen, leaving you helpless. Who can you turn to when your car breaks down on you? It's certainly a great comfort knowing you can count on AA always. With our 24/7 call center and roadside assistance, you can simply call or use our app whenever you require any roadside assistance services. Be it flat tire change, jump starting, battery testing and replacement, petrol top-ups, and towing. You can count on AA to help you out of a difficult spot. With AA membership, you'll also enjoy motoring savings, such as discount on zero-maintenance car batteries, fuel discount, motor insurance, members price and recommended tire shops and workshops, and more. And when you travel abroad, you'll be assured of Reciprocal breakdown services in over 120 countries and access to savings worldwide with AAA discounts and rewards. Discover your level of driving risk and equip yourself with safe driving tips before driving overseas with the special discounts on overseas car rentals and more. AA is your key to everyday motoring needs and beyond. We are here to help, anytime, any day. Speak to us at 633-8811 or visit www.aas.com.sg to find out more.